Hi, this is David Azimi with Interior Real Estate Services. Today, I'm going to present to you 3620 Woodley Drive in San Jose. This beautiful property has been completely renovated. Offers a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, tastefully updated. Let's take a tour. You tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the beautiful tour of 3620 Woodley Drive. Couple of key points that I want to mention to you. A beautiful house with a junior suite downstairs, an open concept kitchen, tastefully updated, and a lot size of 8,000 square feet. On top of that, you have great school district. If you have any further questions, you can reach me via text, email, or a quick phone call. Like always on my videos, catch you on the next one.